In today's video, I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace and I found a car, and it's gonna be a surprise for you guys. Let's say it's a nice car. Oh my god. I just started a video and I'm gonna plug in. Ah, shoot, I can't reach the charger. You'll hear a ton of background. We're gonna be talking about not leaned toward pink. So the truck is gonna be from a random guy I do not know. The rock crawler is gonna stay here. Or should I take the Raptor? Well, let's take the truck. I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the neighborhood. So I just hopped in. I got him from. It's not far from here. It's actually at the gas station. And get some diesel and look at the truck. I got the diesel running. He hopped out of his car. He said he's gonna have to call the Uber. And he said, I asked him how much money would it cost for the truck. And end up it's gonna be paying him is about he has no upgrades at all, but has a not in diesel engine. I'm probably gonna put a diesel engine in it. He has no exhaust pipe. I'm probably gonna keep no exhaust pipe, but this one has no exhaust pipe. So I'm gonna go get the trailer lined up. So I'm trying to load the thing up. I'm gonna go get this lined up and put in the trailer. So I can drive it. Fast. I might change up the car look a little bit. Drive it around the trailer. It's gonna be a little damage. I'm gonna go get this one. So it's all like that. And trailer. Heading out. Whoa! I fell. My strap broke. Oh no. Someone's gonna hit me. Just the side of the road. Hop into that car. So I'm gonna see you guys once we get to my shop. So here is the truck. So now let's get this all custom built. So my friend makes told me and he's gonna throw in a batch for free. Repair pack. Let me get that one. Nah. Yeah. Get that. Put in a spare tire. Don't know. Oh, let's go see. $237, and after we get the perfect setup, we have a max horsepower of 300. So we need to fix that. I might put the motor, cut out hood motor. This is how it looks with. I might make this a slam truck. Let's do it. I'll keep this wide. I hear someone in the background. Stop it. My brother's in the background. Sorry about that, guys. I had to yell at my brother for a little bit. Let's make a white slam truck, if you like. I'm probably gonna be selling this one very soon. How much is it worth? I got an offer for $26,000. I spent $30,000 just for the truck. Oh my god. Oh, it's so nice looking though. So it should be in the trailer. What just happened? I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna see you guys now. Just let me here. I'm shooting flames out of there. No, I might lose this in another video. But I'm gonna see you guys next one. Peace.